Introduction. Nutmeg health advantages consist of promoting digestion, supporting oral health, cleansing the body, supporting kidney health, treating sleeping disorders, eliminating pain and dealing with cancer. Other advantages include treating swelling, promoting blood flow, supporting the body immune system, treating acne and postponing aging. Nutmeg has been enhancing the flavors of Asian cuisine for centuries. No traditional food can be cooked without including nutmeg together with other fragrant spices. Nutmeg consists of plenty of health benefits, and it was commonly used in natural home remedies to deal with different illnesses. What is nutmeg? It is an Asian spice. Nutmeg grows on the evergreen plant that is clinically known as Myristica fragrans. The plant belongs to the islands near Indonesia and can be found in South India also. It has an enjoyable scent and contains a hint of sweetness. Nutritional value of nutmeg: beta-carotene 11%, copper 9%, dietary fiber 13%, flavonoid 8%, folic acid 11%, folate 9%, macelignin 8%, magnesium 6%, manganese 6%, niacin 6%, riboflavin 9%, thiamine 11%, vitamin A 11%, vitamin B 11% and vitamin C 11%. This video will go over the 13 fantastic health benefits of nutmeg. 1. It promotes food digestion. Nutmeg is a powerhouse of the properties that can deal with indigestion effectively. Years ago, it specifically contributed to the foods to promote digestion and combat aspects like nausea. Furthermore, nutritional experts suggest that the dietary fiber discovered in the spice functions to manage irregular bowel movements. Consuming nutmeg frequently can not just promote food digestion, however, can deal with intestinal tract issues too. 2. For oral health. Oral illnesses are silent yet daunting. For the most part, oral problems go undetected since they aren't uncomfortable, and constant ignorance frequently leads to oral cancer. Nutmeg can contribute to treating numerous oral issues such as cavities, bleeding gums, tooth pain, etc. Moreover, bacteria inside your tooth cause a toothache, and if not treated on time, it can result in tooth decay. That is where nutmeg enters the picture, as it is a powerhouse of antibacterial properties. Including nutmeg into food is stated to be efficient for your oral health and can assist relieve a tooth pain. 3. Works as a detoxifier. Elements like chemicals, excess salts, toxic substances, etc. can harm liver cells adversely. With damaged cells, your liver will be most likely to fall prey to persistent liver diseases. This is why you need to cleanse your liver, and nutritional experts advise going with a natural product in this regard. Including spices like nutmeg can prevent your liver from the adverse results of environmental pollution, tension, out-of-balance diet and medication. 4. For kidney health. Like other organs, preserving kidney health is necessary too. Nutmeg is stated to be diuretic in nature and promotes appropriate urination that results in healthy kidneys. Furthermore, lots of research studies have actually proved that adding nutmeg to your food or consuming a pinch of it can assist dissolve kidney stones effectively. However, it is recommended to seek advice from your medical care doctor in case of extreme kidney condition and to avoid self-medication. 5. It deals with insomnia. Insomnia is one of the most irritating health problems that encourage you to select medication in this regard. Medication has a perspective to aggravate the case, as they are addicting and cannot offer an option in the long run. And you can become an insomniac once again as soon as you stop the medicines. Nutritionists revealed that nutmeg might get the job done for you. It works as a menthol that unwinds the stressed out mind and eliminates mental pressure that will enable you to sleep. You can add a pinch of nutmeg powder into a glass of warm milk to treat persistent insomnia. 6. It relieves pain. Numerous research studies have been carried out to identify if this amazing spice can eliminate headaches or other body discomforts or not. Nutmeg is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory residential or commercial properties that not only ease headaches, however, help reduce discomfort related to injuries. Additionally, it is powerful enough to combat aspects that add to persistent swelling, like the condition of arthritis. 7. For cancer. Antioxidants are understood to fend off complementary radicals that promote malignant cells in your body. Scientists have found that being enhanced with antioxidants, nutmeg can assist relieve dangers that add to the advancement of cancerous cells. However, the research studies are at initial levels, and more proof is needed to identify the positive results of nutmeg concerning cancer treatment. 8. A powerful antioxidant. Your body needs plenty of antioxidants not only to treat malignant cells or totally free radicals, however to prevent chronic swelling and oxidative damage. Nutritional experts motivate including spices like nutmeg in any type, to your everyday life. Antioxidants, when integrated with other nutrients like copper, potassium, iron, and so on, can efficiently fight factors that add to chronic diseases like asthma, Alzheimer, and even depression. 9. Correct blood circulation. Appropriate blood flow can assist in blood flow in your body. When blood circulates through your heart and brain, both crucial organs perform their function effectively. Moreover, nutmeg is extensively utilized in herbal medicine to control high blood pressure levels. Nutritional experts recommend that potassium discovered in the spice can unwind your blood vessels and enable proper blood flow. 10. For psychological illness. Mental diseases like dementia and Alzheimer often occur in aging, where you regularly forget things and find it tough to recall. Aging also impacts your concentration and cognitive function. You can take precautions in young age to prevent age-related issues like these by integrating nutmeg into your day-to-day regimen. The parts like mace lignin discovered in the spice are said to help your brain to enhance your memory. Nutmeg has potential to relieve threats related to Alzheimer's illness and can prevent its incident in old age. 11. For body immune system. Your body immune system carries out many functions that consist of damaging transmittable germs, totally free radicals, and malignant cells. To do the task, your body immune system requires nutrients like manganese, iron, potassium, and various vitamins that can be found in marvelous nutmeg. 12. Acne treatment. Acne occurrence can put you under extreme stress that causes more acne. If after tiresome efforts, your acne vanishes, it leaves a scar. That is where nutmeg enters the picture. Being an antibacterial, it can ward off acne-causing bacteria successfully. You apply a paste of powdered nutmeg on the acne scar, and it will begin fading within weeks. The spice can work fine for acne if you add it to your food regularly. 13. It delays aging. Fine lines, wrinkles, saggy skin, etc. are primary indicators of aging that is nothing less than a nightmare. Nutritionists suggest incorporating some amount of nutmeg into your diet and let the properties found in it do the job for you. How to use nutmeg. Whole nutmeg can be freshly ground and added to dishes with a microplane or grater, but the spice is also available already ground. Nutmeg is a common ingredient in many cuisines, including European and Indian. There are many ways to add nutmeg to your diet, including: add it to coffee, hot chocolate, tea, or warm milk. Use it to season vegetables such as cauliflower and sweet potato. Sprinkle over oatmeal or other breakfast cereals. Sprinkle over fruit for an added kick. Bake with it. Nutmeg is a key ingredient in many baked goods. Add to seasonal beverages such as eggnog, mulled cider, and mulled wine. Use it in fall dishes, such as ones that feature pumpkin or other winter squashes. Try cooking dishes from Southern and Southeastern Asia or visit a new restaurant that offers the cuisine. Final point. The health benefits of nutmeg are evident why it was a part of herbal medication for centuries. Therefore, incorporate the spice and enhance the condition of your health. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.